How would you deal with a faulty boiler this winter? Probably more easily than you think. Most modern boilers, including combi boilers, are condensing boilers and have a pipe which takes the condensation the boiler produces to a drain, either inside or outside your house. Cold weather can sometimes freeze the condensate pipe and cause the boiler to lock out. The boiler will stop working and you'll see either an error message or warning light. If your condensate pipe is frozen, don't worry, it's usually something you can fix quickly and simply yourself. Find the condensate pipe. It's usually white. If it's inside, you'll see it underneath the boiler, and if outside, it'll come out from the wall behind the boiler and into a drain. To thaw an external condensate pipe, pour hot but not boiling water along it. Concentrate on any bends or elbows and only attempt to do this at ground floor level. Please don't use ladders in slippery conditions. You may need a couple of kettles full to completely thaw it out. For internal pipes, you can simply hold a hot water bottle against the pipe. You can then reset the boiler. If the pipe has thawed, the boiler should start normally. To help prevent a condensate pipe from freezing, we recommend protecting it with pipe insulation. Insulation is very easy to install and can be bought from any DIY store. Some boiler manufacturers have additional accessories you can install to provide even more protection. One example is a heat wrap, which heats the condensate pipe from the outside when it senses cold weather. If you have any questions about locating, thawing or protecting your condensate pipe, we recommend you contact your local gas-safe installer or boiler service provider.